When you first start working with the fabric that you want to tie up, I recommend that you wash it in your washing machine. I don't like to work with dry fabric myself. It's very springy and awkward to work with. It doesn't stay where you put it when you fold it. Also, it doesn't absorb the dye very easily because very often it's coated with starches and other chemicals that they put on it in the mill. I also don't like working with very, very wet fabric. It makes me sopping wet from head to foot by the time I've finished working with it, and then it also has the tendency to suck onto the surfaces where you're working, and that's not pleasant either. My favorite is fabric straight from the spinner. You've washed it in your washing machine and it's still slightly damp. It is easy to handle. It stays where you put it when you fold it, and it also absorbs dye easily.